Hello, good day everyone. Today I want to show you guys how to get the right option to a notation question in a very short way, or just a little shortcut to notation optional questions. Watch this video to the end and subscribe if you have not done so. Now we have expressed the following using notation: 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16. Option A, we have this. Option B, we have this. Option C, we have this. Option D, we are going to have that. Now, how will you get this without solving anything? What you have to do is to start checking the option that will give you back this question. For example, option A is this symbol means notation symbol, sigma notation, and start from 1 to 6 of summation of 2n plus 4. So let's check this first one. If it will give us back this question, the first value of n is 1. So if n is 1, what do we have? We are going to have 2 times 1, 2 plus 4, 6. Correct. That is not enough. Let's say when n is now 2, because after 1 we are going to get to 2. Let's say when n is now 2. 2 times 2, 4 plus 4, 8. Correct. That is not enough. Let's do one more. Let's say when s is now this 6, which is the last value, is the upper limit, is the lower limit. This is the upper value of n. Will give me the last number or the last digit in this series. So when n is now 6, we're going to have 2 times 6, 4. Now 2 times 6, 12. Plus 4, 16. Correct. So this will be the correct option to this question. Others will not be correct. If you check very well, you discover that others won't be correct. So that is how to get. Okay, let's try another example. Express this plus this using notation. Now what do you mean by these 3 dots before this last one? Means we have other terms here. Now if a notation ends with these 3 dots, it means it's going to end at infinity. But if you have these 3 dots inside before you get to the last one there, it means we have terms inside before you get to the last one. So if you want to get the answer to this one, you get it from the option. Check the option that will correspond to this series. Let's say we have the first one is 12 combination 0, 12 combination 1, 12 combination 2, and so on. So let's check this first option. At r is equals to 1, that is the first value of r, that is the first value of the series. We're going to have 12 combination 1, but this one is 12 combination 0. That means this option is not correct. Let's try this. That is equals to 0. You have 12 combination 0. Correct. At r is equals to 1. Put 1 here. We're going to have 12 combination 1. Correct. Now let's check the last one. At r is equals to 12. We're going to have 12 combination 12. Correct. So this will be the correct option here. Others will not be correct. So correct option now is option B for this. Let's do more to see. To express 4 plus 1 over 1 plus 4 plus 1 over 2 plus 4 plus 1 over 3 plus until you get to 4 plus 1 over 7 using notation. Now the first option we're having here, if you place 1 here, we're going to have 4 minus 1 over 1. This one is 4 plus 1 over 1. This one is not correct. At n is equals to 1 for this, we're going to have 4 plus 1 over 1. 4 plus 1 over 1, that is correct. At n is equals to 2, we're going to have 4 plus 1 over 2. 4 plus 1 over 2, which is second value here, still correct. Let's check the last one. At n is equals to 7, we're going to have 4 plus 1 over 7. 4 plus 1 over 7, correct. So this will be the correct option, because this will give us back this series. This is the correct option here. Others will not be correct. Take note. Now, what of if we are asked to write a particular notation out explicitly? How are we going to do it? For example, I say write this notation out, and so on. Now, to write this out, it means if you place k anywhere you see k, first put 1, then next you put 2 until you get to 5. This means anywhere you see I, put 1 until you get to 6. That's it. So if you are putting k in where you are seeing k here, we have sign 1k, sign 1x, when k is 1, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 4, 5s to get to 5. That's how to do it. So this is the first term, second term, to get to the fifth term. So if they ask you what is the third term of this series, can you put k out 1, 2, 3. K will be 3 for the third term. We are going to have sign 3s and so on. You say to with this, if you put this I as 1, you're going to have 3 times 1, that gives us 3. I as 2, you're going to have 3 times 2, you're going to have 6. I as 3, we're going to have 3 times 3, that gives us 9. I as 6, we're going to have 3 times 6, that gives us 18 as the last one. Please take note of that. It's very, very important.